In this video, I will explain you master detail page in ADF application using JDeveloper. So for that, go to the file option, select new application, select ADF Fusion Web Application, click OK. Here application name, give some application name, for example ADF application. Go to the next. This file is currently open and cannot be overwritten. Okay, ADF application 2. Next, in this application we have two projects, model and view controller. So first is the model. Click on this is the default package. Click next. This is the second project, view controller. This is the default package. Keep it as it is. Select new, next, and finish. So this is the ADF application 2 overview. From here, as you can see, we have model layer and view controller layer. There are two layers. In model we don't have anything, and in view controller also we have these four types of files: adfcconfig.xml, ssconfig.xml, trinidadconfig.xml, and web.xml. These four files are generated automatically whenever you are creating a new application. So for this model part, what we have to do, go to this and connect to the database, because it is here not started. Go and select here, create a database connection, select on that. Here connection name you can give, for example HR connection to, any name it may be. Here username and password, whatever you have, give at the time of installation. I gave HR, password HR, service name, my service name is XEPDB1, and here test connection. So here it is showing success. Click OK. Now we have connected our database. Now you need to create the entity object, view object, and application module. For that we need to go to the business services. Here it is for the database connection, first not started, you click it on done. Just now we have completed this part. Now for this build business services, click on this. It is still not started. Now we will go and start. For this, go to substeps, create entity object and association. Click here, click this button. We are in the model part, we are creating, so select model, click OK. Here our connection is HR connection 2, click OK. Here there are no tables. For that you have to select the query. Now the tables came. We need a department and employee table. For that, select department, shift. Here we need only two tables. Select this table and bring it here. So department and employees. What you have to give is a specific name, model.eo entity object. Here departments EO, and for employees give the entity name as EO. Select next. So these are the view objects. Bring it here, store it in a view object package, and here give EO view some specific name for department, and for employees EO view, Now select next. Here query based object, we don't want this. Go to the next step, add to the application module, store it in a model am application module, click next, select next, and here it is showing the details what we have did: entity objects created, view objects created, and application module created. Click finish. Yeah, so what happened? Model.jpx file is created here, model.am application module, and in the EO here association and view links. For the view object, view links are created, and for the entity object, association is created. I will explain you this one, these three: application module, entity object, and view object. What are these? See, model part. This model, it deals with the backend layer. It deals with BC4J component. BC4J stands for Business Components for Java. It has three parts: entity object, view object, and application module. What is entity object? Entity object is based on tables. We can have multiple entity objects. If two entity objects relate each other, association will be created. See here, association, because we took the two tables, departments and employees, association will be created. View object, what view object? Here this model.view, view object gets view of your data. It is based on your entity objects. View objects can be based on multiple entity objects. If two objects relate with each other, view links can be created. Here view links. We have updatable view objects and read-only view objects. In read-only view objects we can't edit, and updatable view objects we can edit. And what is application module? It is based on view object. Application module is based on view object. You can see here in the data control, this application module is based on view object. It deals with the database and it does transaction management, that is a rollback and a commit. Here rollback and commit operation on a particular data on a database. Go to application module, here model.am, yeah, go here application module and check my model layer is working fine or no. So that if it is working fine, I want to create UI for my model layer in the view controller. So go to the application module and here first save this. In the application module, go right click, say run. It will take some time to run this master detail data. See here, this is the application module. It is showing department table. It is connected with the employee table. Here there is a link between these two tables. So click on this EMP-DEPT link. Here department ID 10, then department ID 10 in the employee table. It is showing the related field. If you click on next, it is showing 20. With the department 20 we have two records, and in the department 30 we have multiple records. So here for example, if you want to see this employee ID 114 only one record. Go to this find specific criteria, view criteria option, select employee ID as 114 and click on find button. It will give you the particular record of the particular employee. So if we want all the fields, then remove this one and go to find. It will show you the department 30 of multiple records. So our application module is working fine. We will create a page and we will run on the browser. So for that, what you have to do is go to the view controller. Here go to the new, from gallery. Here page is there. In the web tier there is this JSF. Here page, click OK. Here give employee department page 1. This is the JSPX file. Create a blank page, click OK. Yeah, now here this is the area where you can build your page. It is showing some waiting symbol. Yeah, now it came. See here in the design part, you can type, paste or drag and drop the content. So here we have department employee table. So this link is very important. In the department master table, we have the employee detail table. So bring this employee table here in the page area and select the master detail option. In this I am selecting ADF master as a form and detail master table as a form and detail table as a table. So select this. Yeah, here departments and employee table came. For this department AVO, what you do, go here and AVO, it doesn't look good, so select some name, for example departments info. Now it change here. Same for the employee. Employee info. Enter. Here it change. And for the table, here it is a form. Here for the second employee, the detail table we have considered as a table, so select this table. Here there are many fields. For example, if you want to select the width 1000, it will take a scroll bar, this table. See here, scroll bar came. Because there are many fields, you can scroll it and see the data. Now what you have to do, you need to save this and right click on this page area and run the page. It will take few minutes and it will run in the browser. So as you can see here, department ID 10, what we check in the application module, the same thing here. See the department ID 10, the record displays, and if you click on the next record, it is 20. Here there are two records for the department ID 20, and for 30 there are multiple records, as you can see here. See here, this employee ID 114, we check with the find button. So same thing, first record means first and last record means here last record will there is no more records. Click previous, click on the first record. So you can see this is the master table departments and the detail table employee, and the data is coming in both the tables. I hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.